Okay, so I had to do this video because I was searching on the internet for diet, and the first 3 to 4 pages are just covered with false information. So if you're new to dieting, this video is for you. I'm going to make it really, really simple. And I hope you get to this video before the other ones because it's going to save you a lot of grief. So there's a misconception that most people have about dieting when they get into dieting, that the weight loss is equal to the fat loss. In other words, if they lose weight, they're losing actual fat. That is absolutely not true. When you change your diet, most people will lose some water weight in the first 2 weeks, and then they will plateau. And if they think that's fat, they're setting themselves up for a whole bunch of confusion following that, because then you're going to get more bad advice and exercise more because it's all about calories. And you're going to eat less. Okay? Now, during this time, you're craving, you're hungry, and you're eating more carbs, and that's really why you gain the weight back, or you actually might have stopped the weight loss. But these two actions right here are not going to help you because, look at this, too much insulin will just lock up the release of this fat. You cannot release fat if there's too much insulin. So what keeps this lock on this fat and prevents you from using it is the stored sugar that you have, and also the carbs in the bloodstream. So the two things, the most important, crucial things to put all your attention on is just to deplete the stored sugar and reduce your carbs. How do you do that? You eat less frequent. You do intermittent fasting. That is going to deplete the stored sugar, and you can also add exercise to speed it up as well. And also you must eat less carbs, so therefore there'll be less stored, and then this lock will open up and you can start releasing fat. That's the most important thing. These other things will not help you. Eating less fat, higher protein or less protein, a plant-based, eating healthier. It really has to do with these two things right here. All right? So being a new person, I suggest that you watch the link down below to get the full story of how to do this with all the details. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, press subscribe and I will definitely keep you updated.